Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. I wanted to share this eye look with you. I'm calling this a berry sultry halo eye look. Here I am priming my eyelids with the MAC paint pot and laying low. I will be using the Makeup Revolution and Patricia Bright Rich and Life palette. I will link my review and my first look in the cards and down below. Just stay around. First shade I'm going to go into is No Drama. I'm going to carefully blend this shade out, taking my time. Got time for thoughts to rise. Now it's going into overdrive. Still no message past my bedtime. I am trying not to analyze. On my phone, waiting on. Going in with Workaholic, I'm gonna blend that above No Drama up in the brow bone. Just stay around. Don't want us falling back to that. Next shade, I'm going to be using Pure Soul. This is just going to create some depth in the inner eye and the outer eye. Well, you're too far, so you don't hear it. The key to a halo eye, or any eye look, to be honest, is to blend, 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 blend. Next shade is Star Girl. This is the black. So this is really going to create some depth on top of Pure Soul. And I'm using this on a pencil brush to get that precision. And then I will be carefully blending it out. So that you're stepping out, I see you go, I'm crying out, but you're too far, so it's time to cut the crease. I'm using some concealer here on a flat synthetic brush and just creating an open space on the center of my eyelid. Still no message past my bedtime. I am trying not to analyze. On my phone, waiting on. You're not coming by. Don't let me down. Don't let me fall. Just stay around. First shade I'm going to go in on the lid is Diamonds for Breakfast. And I'm going to put this right in the center of the eye. Using the same synthetic brush. Then I'm going into Perfection. This is going to go on the outer part of Diamonds for Breakfast. This is just going to create depth again for this look. Then I'm going into Sweet Like Candy, and this is really going to set it off and tie everything together. Don't let me fall.
just going in with my final touches and making sure everything's blended out. Here's a close-up before liner. Okay. Then I'm adding lashes, of course. Ardell Studio Effects Demi Wispies, some of my favorites. Line in with Stila liquid liner. And here's the final look, guys. Get into this look, okay? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next upload.